What if I told you that the quiet Scandinavian nation of Denmark is pioneering a financial model so advanced it's leaving even the US and China scrambling to catch up? This isn't science fiction, this is 2025. And Denmark is proving that you don't need to be a global superpower to lead a financial revolution. You just need a system that works smarter. They call it AI capitalism, a hybrid model where cutting-edge artificial intelligence isn't just enhancing the economy, it's completely redefining how capitalism functions. Think about this. In Denmark today, every citizen's income, taxes, and benefits are synced in real time through biometric digital IDs. No more complicated filings, no more evasion, no more billionaire loopholes. Everything is trackable, auditable, and transparent. And all of it is powered by artificial intelligence. Flexicurity is at the heart of this transformation. The Danish labor market allows companies to hire and fire with minimal friction, but the state steps in immediately. AI algorithms identify your skills, retrain you, and help place you in a new job within weeks. You don't fall, you're caught, reskilled, and redeployed, sometimes to a higher-paying position. It's capitalism, with a safety net engineered by code. And the tax system? It's so advanced that citizens can visualize in real time how their taxes are spent, whether it's on education, healthcare, or infrastructure. It's accountability by design. Blockchain tech ensures every public dollar is traceable. Corruption? Nearly impossible. Tax evasion? Good luck. Meanwhile, the US is still trying to figure out how to regulate TikTok, and China is entangled in managing its crumbling property sector. Denmark, on the other hand, is running budget simulations through AI before proposing any policy. Imagine a government that doesn't guess. It forecasts, models, and adapts instantly. Every policy is stress-tested by simulations before it even hits Parliament. And here's where things get crazy. Denmark's central bank has launched the digital krone, a central bank digital currency seamlessly integrated into every citizen's wallet. Your biometric ID, a retina scan, or facial recognition, acts as your bank, your passport, your healthcare card. Payments are instant. Fraud is virtually non-existent. There's no need for physical banks or even plastic cards anymore. This system doesn't just create efficiency, it creates trust. In a world where financial systems are collapsing under the weight of complexity and corruption, Denmark has engineered a model that is minimalistic, transparent, and intelligent. And while critics argue it's too centralized, supporters say it's the future of how nations will function in the age of artificial intelligence. Even mental health is part of GDP reporting now. The government collects anonymized data to track national well-being and adjusts social programs dynamically, where citizen satisfaction is falling in real time. So what does this mean for the rest of the world? If Denmark, a country with just under 6 million people, can deploy AI-driven capitalism this effectively, what's stopping the US or China? Or is it that their current models are simply too bloated, too politicized, too resistant to innovation? Here's the truth. Most billionaires and hedge funds already know. The future of wealth isn't in tax shelters or private equity. It's in nations like Denmark, where systems run smoother, faster, and with fewer risks. International investors are already quietly moving capital into Danish infrastructure, green tech, and fintech startups. They're not betting on size, they're betting on efficiency. And that's the new game. It's no longer about who has the biggest economy. It's about who has the smartest one. Denmark isn't just playing the game differently, they've changed the board entirely. So, ask yourself, would you rather live in a country that clings to a broken system or one that builds a smarter future with machines that never sleep?